welcome back to Mixit's World. So for today, I'm gonna share with you how to cook a very quick and easy but super yummy baked spaghetti, the best in the world. So I will put in the description box below the list of all the ingredients. So now, let's start. So the first thing we need to do is to cook our pasta. Papakuluin lang natin yung water natin. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung spaghetti. Guys, super mura lang nito. 35 pesos lang to, 400 grams. So, while waiting for our water to boil, mag-isa muna tayo. Let's also put salt sa water natin, guys. Very important to season your water before putting the pasta. Now we put olive oil. Lagay muna natin yung onions natin. Tapos yung garlic. Lagay na natin yung bell pepper natin. Guys, kumukulo na yung water natin. Lagay na natin yung pasta. Now we put our ground beef. So guys, ito, gumagamit ako nito kasi iba din talaga pag merong nor beef cubes. And pepper. So guys, medyo matagal lang ito lutuin. Antayin nyo lang siya. So next naman, you're gonna put this one, guys. Iba din talaga kapag merong corned beef, lalo kapag pure foods. The best. Try natin, guys. Ay, okay. Konti pa. Now we put our hot dog. So I'm using tender, juicy, yung cheesy na hot dog. Guys, super bango. As in, grabe, gugutom na ako. Let's put more pepper. Pwede na natin i-drain. So next naman, we're gonna put our sauce. So this is also a trusty. So guys, dito dapat low heat lang. So guys, ang ratio dito, 1 kilo yung spaghetti sauce, tapos 500 grams na pasta. Also guys, kapag ito kumulo na, patayin na natin agad. Kasi kapag hinayaan natin na kumukulo lang, mawawala yung sauce. Sisipsipin siya ng beef, ganyan, yung mga ingredients inside. Natin, guys. perfect. So now naman guys, i-preheat na natin yung oven natin. So ayan guys, gawin na natin yung white sauce natin. First, yung cream cheese. Ayan. Next, yung mozzarella natin. Next, we put our quick melt. And then our all-purpose cream. Ayan. So, here naman guys, we have parmesan. Pero, later natin to ilalagay sa pag na-assemble na natin lahat. After to, sa top lang. So, ayan guys, i-assemble na natin. First, yung pasta muna. Next, yung red sauce natin. So now we put our white sauce. Next, our second layer. So, ayan guys, ready na to bake. Lagay na natin sa oven. Ayan, let's bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. So there you go guys, my very quick and easy but super yummy baked spaghetti. I hope you try this recipe at home kasi super masarap talaga siya. Perfect for occasions or sa business, pwedeng pang business or kahit no occasions at all. Perfect tong recipe na to. So there, if you like this video, please subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in our next cooking video. Bye guys!